One of the quickest and easiest ways to make cross cuts is with a portable circular saw. The challenge, however, is how do you make cuts perfectly square each and every time? Well, here's one way, with a cross-cut guide. This is simply a 1x4, about 18 inches long, and a cleat that's 3 by 16 inches long. That's a piece of 1/2-inch plywood. I just glued and screwed them together using a square to make sure these two surfaces are perpendicular. Now, before using the guide, you need to trim off the cleat, and here's how. Just take the saw and make a cut right along the fence, trimming off that end of the cleat. Now, I'll show you why I did that. Let's say we want to make a cut right here. All right, that's where we want to cross cut this 1x12. So now you just have to line up. We know that the edge of the blade is right here. So we're just going to line up the cleat, the end of the cleat with that mark, and make the cut. There you go, nice clean cut right on the mark.